I got splinter in my toe because I had us to break up the other tile. And the store that I bought these tiles from, they don't have any more. So I have to buy a little 24 by 24 and cut it up to make the diamond box, the square box. And I need tile for there, I need tile for here. Tissue holder, towel holder, a hand towel, extendable for the shower. I have a 12 by 12 black one with lights in it. I asked my friend, Richard, please mail down my stuff. It has light in it when the water changes color. But because Richard didn't mail it down, it has his house. I had was to settle for this one now. A 12. Okay, let me put it down. And I hate to burst my bubbles, and I'm pretty upset and not pleased because I can't get no more tile. And this is as much as I can do. Today's the 1st. I don't know where get the rest of the tile. I'm so disappointed. Oh, I bought these yesterday. I saw them. Oh gosh, I love it. And I just did it. And you should see. You see my face, right? Yep. Oh, I gotta do another video later. I am so mad at Collins. Collins didn't do that. And I tell him to do that, to rub off this. Oh, I take off the toilet washy butty thing because it's leaking when I turn it on to wash my bum. Anyways, another day we're going to take out this toilet, break that off, take this out, put in a nice fancy toilet. Okay? This right here needs to dig up and stuff. The floaty table is singing. Renton said to come for it later. And who remember my thingy? Yep, that's it. Yep. They're no good. Yep. That's it. And listen to my music. Yeah, that's that. But we're doing toilet now. Yeah, so that's my bathroom, and that's